Stocks are a little mixed today, but joining me to tell us what's shaking is Virtu Financial's Matt Cheslock. Hello, Matt. What's shaking?
Market's up. Surprised.
Although take a look at last week's chart, S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow all closed on a doji indecision candle, but the Russell had a reversal. Could these candles be melting into a correction?
We keep searching for the correction. When's it going to occur? And people keep talking about when, if. But the market really shows no signs of it. But we did see a kind of reversal in the market yesterday when we had some news about the trade war that could potentially occur. And this was after the dollar had already cracked in the morning. So there are some cracks in the armor of the market, and it shows just how quickly the market can reverse. So you have to be nimble. But overall, I think the market is fairly strong, at least on the top end, and the names that have produced for 18 months. Companies like Boeing, the tech names, these are still providing upside for the market.
Well, Steve Mnuchin likes that dollar crack. He finds the weaker dollar dreamy. What companies can really benefit from this?
Well, anything with some international trade, obviously, is going to be a beneficiary of the weaker dollar. We're seeing oil rally. That's going to be a beneficiary of it, too. So those are the sectors that you want to watch. We're seeing a lot of money flow go into energy sector after lagging for so much of 2017. That's been one of the biggest gainers for the year so far. And I think there's a lot of new money that's looking to be put into some homes and some IPOs as we talk about early 2018.
So, Ches, what's going on with the 10-year?
Well, you know what? Equities are the place right now. Everyone keeps calling about the 10-year. We're going to see the yield keep going higher and higher and higher. What does that mean for equities? That means probably maybe some more money is going to flow into equities and out of bonds. So until that course changes or reverses, you got to stay the course. But as far as investing, how far you're looking forward, you want to take advantage of some of these opportunities when you see these little price dislocations, and that's when you want to really capitalize and put your money to work.
In equities?
Well, I'm thinking more of the contraside now because so many people are so bearish on bonds. That's when you want to start getting involved. Now, you might be a little early, but ideally you want to be early rather than late.
Well, taking a look at the heat map, it was kind of hard to follow trends during earnings week, or maybe not. What sectors are really hot right now? You mentioned energy before, but what else, Cheslock?
God, I mean, you look at a company like Netflix, right? To see the move that it made prior to earnings, then the move it made on earnings, and then follow through on the third day. That's impressive stuff, even after blowout numbers. So what you're really going to focus on in earnings is the forecast going forward to the second half of 2018. I think that's the most important part of this market. One other sector that's not hot actually was the transport sector, and one of the leading indicators that rolled over on Tuesday, cracked yesterday. So we'll see if that can gain traction toward the end of the week as that sector rotation plays out. You start to see sectors that have been weak for a little while gain traction. That may be one that may take a little bit more, though.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't have solar panels, you're good, right, Chaz? Maybe Trump should put some tariffs on my jokes. It'd make everyone happier.
Not at all. Keep them coming.
Thank you so much. Have a good weekend, Matt.
All right, you too.